In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with TSB Mobile Online for the year 2025. Whether you're planning to meet with a TSB Money Confidence expert or a mortgage advisor, the process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the TSB Bank's official website. Once you're there, look for the Help and Support section. It's usually located in the main menu or easily accessible on the home page. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you to a page dedicated to supporting your various needs and inquiries. Next, you'll see a search box or a field where you can type in what you're looking for. Here, you should type in something like appointment. This will help filter the information and direct you to the appointment scheduling options. Once you see the search results, click on any link related to scheduling an appointment. It might say something like book an appointment or ask how to book with a TSB Money Confidence expert or a mortgage advisor. Clicking on one of these will bring you to another page where you can start the booking process. When you arrive on the new page, look for the button or link that says book an appointment. This will direct you to the actual scheduling website. Once there, you will begin by clicking on the start button. This step is where you'll provide all the necessary information to confirm your appointment. Now, you'll need to fill out several details. You'll typically be asked what you need help with, whether it's a financial review or mortgage guidance. You'll also specify how you prefer to meet, be it through video, phone, or an in-branch meeting. Additionally, you'll need to provide your preferred date and time slots, your contact details, and possibly your postcode or preferred branch. After filling in all these details, you will submit your appointment request. Following your submission, you should receive confirmation via email or message. This confirmation will include all the essential details about the appointment, including a link if it's a virtual meeting or the branch address for an in-person meeting. Regarding mortgage appointments, when you reach the step where you need to specify the details, be aware that this process might direct you to a different page tailored for mortgage inquiries. Here again, you'll fill in specifics about what you'd like to discuss, select your preferred date, time, and branch, and provide your personal details and contact preference. Once you've completed all the necessary details, click on the button that says Request an Appointment. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after with all the pertinent details about your scheduled appointment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to scheduling an appointment with TSB Online using their mobile service in 2025. It really is quite straightforward once you know where to look and what to do. If you need any further assistance or information, feel free to reach out through the TSB website. Happy booking, and I hope your appointment goes smoothly.